Hello dear students, today we are going to start third chapter, Taro's Reward. Before you read, first we will understand what about the story and who are the characters. So the main character is Taro and his family members like his father, his mother, few village members and a king. So we are going to start with before you read. This is a story about a thoughtful and loving son. It means here is a son who is loving and thoughtful. Means who is very thoughtful, who thought about his parents, about their pain. He works hard to fulfill his parents' wishes. Wishes means what they want, and get some unexpected help. Unexpected, it means when he did not think that any kind of help he can get, he got the help. Taro's reward. A young woodcutter named Taro lived with his mother and father on a lonely hillside. Hillside means on hill station. Live lonely means alone. He lived with his mother and father on a hillside. पहाड़ों में रहता था. All day long he chopped wood in the forest. Wood means लकड़ी. Chopping means to cut wood all the day. Though he worked very hard, he earned very little money. It means very small amount of money he earned every day. This made him sad, for he was a thoughtful son and wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. Because he was a thoughtful son, he thought about his parents' need, what they want, and he was very sad because he had very little money, and with this money he could not complete his parents' need. Second paragraph. One evening, when Taro and his parents were sitting in a corner of their hut, Taro and his parents were sitting in a corner of their hut. Hut means झोपड़ी. A strong wind began to blow. तेज हवाएं चलने लगती हैं. It whistled through the cracks of the hut. Whistled through the cracks of the hut, like whistle sound. Whistle means whistle sound coming from the cracks. Cracks means the place between walls. The whistle sound was coming through the cracks of the hut, and everyone felt very cold. They were feeling cold. Suddenly, Taro's father said, I wish I had a cup of sake. What is sake? Sake is a kind of drink. Drink like we have cold drink. So sake is a kind of drink which can warm a person in cold weather. It would warm me and do my old heart good. It means he will be happy if he will find sake. This made Taro sadder than ever, for the heart-warming drink called sake was very expensive. Expensive means to buy this sake, a lot of money was needed. Clear? Taro became sad because he had no money, and his father wanted to drink sake, but to buy sake he needed a lot of money. How do I earn more money? He asked himself. उसने क्या सोचा कि मैं और पैसे कैसे कमाऊं? How do I get a little sake for my poor old father? अपने बूढ़े पिताजी के लिए मैं किस तरह से साके कहाँ से लेकर आऊं? He decided to work harder than before. It means he would do work and work and work. Next morning, Taro jumped out of bed earlier than usual and made his way to the forest. Next morning, Taro jumped up means he woke up early in the morning and he made his way to the forest. He went to the forest. He chopped and cut as sun climbed. मीन्स लकड़ियाँ वो काटता गया और सन बहुत ऊपर पहुँच गया, बहुत गर्मी हो गई. Soon he was so warm that he had to take off his jacket. It means he was sweating and so he took out his jacket. उसे अपने इतना पसीना उसे आ गया, इतनी गर्मी उसे लगने लगी कि उसे अपनी जैकेट उतारनी पड़ी. His mouth was dry and his face was wet with sweat. Mouth was dry because he was thirsty. प्यास लगी हुई थी उसे. My poor old father, he thought. उसने सोचा मेरा बेचारा father. If only he was as warm as I. काश वो मेरे जितना गर्मी फील करता. And with that he began to chop even faster, thinking of the extra money he must earn to buy the sake to warm the old man's bones. और इसी के साथ वो और ज़्यादा तेज़ी से कटिंग करना शुरू कर दिया. वो सोच रहा था कि मैं ज़्यादा पैसे कमाऊंगा तो अपने फादर की हड्डियों को गर्म करने के लिए मैं साके खरीद पाऊंगा. Then suddenly Taro stopped chopping. अचानक से उसने कटिंग करना बंद कर दिया. What was that sound he heard? ये कैसी आवाज़ थी जो उसने सुनी? Could it possible be rushing water? क्या ये पॉसिबल है? क्या यहाँ पे rushing water हो सकता है? Taro could not remember ever seeing or hearing a rushing stream in that part of the forest. उसने उस फॉरेस्ट की उस जगह पर कभी कोई स्ट्रीम होती है बहते हुए पानी की धारा, कभी न देखी थी न सुनी थी. He was thirsty. His throat was dry. The axe dropped out of his hands. Axe means औजार जिससे वो लकड़ियाँ काट रहा था, उसके हाथ से गिर पड़ा. And he ran in the direction of the sound. और जहाँ से साउंड आ रही थी उस तरफ वो दौड़ने लगा. Taro saw a beautiful little waterfall hidden behind a rock. Taro saw means देखना. उसने देखा कि एक छोटा सा वाटरफॉल है. वाटरफॉल झरना. Hidden behind a rock, rock के पीछे. Kneeling at the place where the water flowed quietly, he cupped a little in his hands and took into his lips. उसने क्या किया? उनको अपने हाथों से एक कप बनाया और अपने हाथों में पानी लेकर अपने होठों से लगाया. Was it water? क्या ये पानी था? और was it sake? या फिर साके था. He tasted it again and again. बार बार इसने इसको टेस्ट किया. And always it was the delicious sake. लेकिन हर बार ये delicious means very tasty. साके ही था instead of cold water नहीं था. Taro quickly filled the pitcher he had with him and hurried home. टारो ने फटाफट जो बर्तन उसके पास था, बॉटल थी, उसे भरा और अपने घर की तरफ दौड़ा. द ओल्ड मैन वॉज डिलाइटेड विद द साके. बूढ़ा आदमी साके पीकर बहुत खुश था. After only one swallow of the liquid, he stopped shivering. एक घूंट पीने के बाद ही उसने कांपना बंद कर दिया and did a little dance in the middle of the floor. और फर्श पे नाचने लगा. So we will complete this chapter in the next video. Thank you.